Well, so far, Bailey, we have a couple storms that have pulsed up to severe limits, mainly in Texas. Temperatures notably cooler with the clouds moving in, and we're also holding on to some low rain chances here along the Red River for tonight. Currently 81 degrees out of our Sherman Chevrolet Cadillac Tower Cam. Rain totals, Ada coming in with over 3/10 of an inch of rain so far today. Ardmore with almost 1/10 of an inch. Love County about the same. Medill almost 2/10 of an inch of rain, and these totals going to be growing as we get more rain falling over the next several hours. Here's our satellite and radar loop. Here's the severe thunderstorm warning over southern Cook County that goes until 5:30 today, but the main core of that storm is moving east-southeast and pushing into Denton County at this time. More scattered shower activity along the Red River with clouds lingering. The cloud cover is good for us, keeps us from continuing to heat on up, which is going to somewhat limit our severe weather potential over the next few hours. Here's that main core now into the northwestern edge of Denton County, and here is Lake Ray Roberts going to be seeing some lightning and some heavy rainfall out of that main storm. Here's the bigger picture, though. We have storms developing now out to the west in the Texas Panhandle. Those going to be moving east into a line tonight. Could have impacts for our I-35 corridor counties after 9 o'clock, though. Until then, a severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for counties just to the west of us. Stevens, Jefferson, and Montague counties included in this until 11 p.m. on Tuesday. Southwestern Oklahoma and western North Texas also included in that storm watch. Quarter size hail and 60 to 70 mile per hour winds is what we can expect here. If you're farther west, that hail size is going to be larger. Timing is likely going to be after 8 o'clock with that round. I'll show you what that looks like here. I talked about the clouds, the rain now stabilizing the atmosphere. That's going to limit any severe potential because all the energy that would go to storms later on tonight is being used up right now. The data showing this recent activity holding on through about 7 o'clock or so. Then after 8 o'clock is when those storms out to the west form more into a line and try to push towards the I-35 corridor closer towards 10, 11 o'clock tonight. These will last through about 1 a.m., continue to slowly weaken. Then into Wednesday morning could also see additional scattered showers and thunderstorms mid to late morning into the afternoon, and then possibly even there into Wednesday evening, depending on how that morning round shapes up. By Thursday, another round by the evening, this likely severe in nature heading into the overnight, and then by Friday, by Saturday, more low rain chances also going to hold with us. So that level 1 risk for severe weather, eastern, southeastern Oklahoma Wednesday. Thursday's risk I think is going to change and be brought down farther south by the evening. Future rainfall, 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. Some could see higher totals than that with 80s and 90s on the way for the next several days. That 7-day forecast sponsored by K&M Roofing and Construction. We have 80s arriving by the end of the weekend, early next week, thanks to that cold front early Sunday morning. Stick with us. We've got more coming up.